She is handsome, she is pretty, she's the belle of Belfast City. She's a cartoon, 1, 2, 3, please will you tell me who is he?
My name's Bill Mullen, from Dundee in Scotland, and I'm a musician. Celtic music, and really how I got into that was as a boy. There used to be, well, in fact in Scotland there was music everywhere. We were surrounded by, every time you put on the radio, it was Scottish music, it was Irish music, and I thought nothing of it. You know, it's like people ask me, how did you get into Celtic music? I didn't. It was there all the time, you know, and so I feel it's really a part of me. It's what I grew up with. I started playing music at the age of 12 when I learned the guitar in secret in my bedroom because I was so desperate to play at the New Year's party, where we would go to the Gibson family next door to us, 2 doors down, and their kids, Danny and Hazel, and Hazel's boyfriend John, were fantastic. They could sing, play guitar, harmonise, and I just really wanted to be part of that. When I did my first songs at the New Year's party that year, that was me in. I became part of the inner circle, and I played and I sang at every opportunity when I was with them, which was quite a lot. They had a lot of parties. So from those early days, I was playing as much as I could, and then I realised later on, now that I've been playing in bands for years in Scotland, and also in the Netherlands where I moved to, and now over in America, I realised that very basis that I had when I was growing up really is a very strong thing. That if you listen to Celtic music these days, it's all based on that type of stuff, and it's really all about getting people involved and getting people to sing along and enjoy and clap. So that's what I do now. I've gone back to the beginning, which is actually the name of my new album, my new CD, and on the CD you'll find those traditional sort of happy, good clapping, good sing-along songs, which, you know, you heard everywhere in Scotland. People would sing them on the buses, you'd meet people on the streets, people sung a lot. And I tried to capture all that back into this CD, into this album. And where I want to take it from there is I'll continue that, because that is my core, the Scottish, the Irish side. I'll continue from there. I want to write more of my own music. Writing my own stuff, I think I would have a different view now that I live in America and I've been here for 6.5 years. Really, I see a lot of what's happened since people left Scotland and left Ireland, and how there's such a pull back to the home country, the old country, and how these people arrived and the experiences since then. I think it's really a strong story that needs to be told that I haven't heard very much. So I think there's music there, and I'm gonna go that way, and I'm going to build on the basics, and I'm going to travel. I want to go around. I want to play in different pubs, clubs, concerts, spread the word, you know, and I also want to be sure that I'm playing the right music for the right audience. You know, when I'm in front of people, I don't want to bore them. I want to keep them entertained. I want them to be a part of what I'm doing as well. So far that's been not a problem, and I'm sure that'll continue. Oh, and I have a new website. It's bill-mullen.com. It's all revamped for my album release. There's a lot of information about me on there. You can also go and see the CD. You can buy tracks on there as well. So there's quite a lot of information. Please go there. I do keep it updated with my calendar, where I'm playing, and I'll be putting in new snippets in there as well. I'm really looking forward to going further with the CD, going further with the music, and yeah, the years ahead, I'll go wherever the music takes me.
Will I play the water over? No, never, no more.
Thank you. Hey.